Alright guys, what's up? Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. This is kind of an impromptu video. About to actually meet Gabe from Fresh Exotics. We're actually at Duncan to do some editing. So this stuff does actually take time, believe it or not. After we're done editing what we have already, I'm actually going to test the low light stuff for this GoPro that I was given. Yeah, we're doing some more POVs. I've messed with the settings on this. You can kind of go a little bit more in depth with these rather than like the Hero 4 that I was using, which is like an ancient relic at this point. So hopefully the low light's a little bit better. Hopefully the quality's a little bit better. I'm going to try to shoot in 4K, even if I sample it down in post, whatever. So yeah, you guys let me know, please, this upcoming footage you're about to see in like the next 10-15 seconds or whatever. Please tell me if this is noticeably different than the previous POV stuff. That will help me a lot. So anyway, I'm going to keep this video short. Thank you guys so much. Also be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing a like 5 things I don't like about the VIPER and 5 things I do like, and stuff that I wish I would have known before I bought one. So please stay tuned. Of course, hit the subscribe button. Click the little bell if you want to get notified whenever I post a video. Other than that, thank you guys so much. See y'all later.